Hello and welcome back. And in this video, we'll take a look at the view controls in Revit. So to do so, I'll click the project called demo project that I've created earlier. It's a 3D BIM. Let's take a look at that. Right, so here it is. In this lecture, we'll be focusing on the view controls. To do so, supposing if I want to move this particular thing, so I can press my scroll button, then I can drag it to the location I can really put in. Like for example, I want to keep it here, so I just release the scroll button and it's in there, right? And if I want to zoom in further, I can scroll the mouse wheel forward. That will zoom the particular building to a great extent. So you can place your cursor anywhere. Say for example, this particular location, I'm gonna zoom in. So I'll scroll my mouse wheel forward, so it will take me to the pointer view, like take me to that point. Supposing if I want to go to this particular vegetation, I'll just point out to that and then I can zoom it perfectly, right? Supposing if I want to bring everything in a same or original position, I can go here and something you can see this house icon called home icon, so you can click that. That will take me to the original position, so which means I don't lose any track. So this being a simple model, if you have a multifarious models in say for example a township, then probably this will be useful to restore the entire township rather than scrolling back to an individual level or something like that, right? And then you can see from here there are other options called default 3D view and camera view and walkthrough. So we'll be exploring that in much detail in the subsequent lectures. So the other view control is the rotate view. So if I want to see the other side of it, say I can pretty much zoom in only to this particular level, right? So this is more of a two-dimensional view, but the importance or significance of the 3D gets diminished if I can't able to see the other direction. To do so, you can press shift and the mouse wheel. So you can press shift as well as hold the mouse wheel. You don't have to move forward or backward. If you move forward and backward, the mouse wheel does not do anything, but if you hold the mouse wheel and you can click or you can pull down to rotate the view. So this is typically a very important thing that you should know. It's called shift plus the rotate view, right? So say for example this thing, then you can point out to any location and you can use your mouse scroll to move forward and backward. Or if you want to zoom in without distortion, then you can probably use control plus hold the mouse scroll button to and fro. So I'm not specifically zooming into a particular location, but I'm just doing the zoom of the entire thing to and fro, right? So this is typically an important thing. Or once this model is rotated, this also gets updated. So this particular model, say for example left side, so when I click on the left face, it will show me the left face and I can zoom it further, right? And if I want to go to the other face, I can click this called front face, then I can rotate it to the right, I can rotate it to the back, and so on. So I'll get all the views. Or if you want to see the top view, you can go here and press top view, and then you can rotate it to the natural view, or you can even see the bottom view as well, right? So this is a very important thing. And let me go to the original location. So this is an important thing. Say another important thing is, say for example I want to see this corner, right? Say the entire model is kind of a solid cube, so we are currently here. That's why this particular cell is highlighted in gray, dark gray. I think you can zoom and see further, right? If I want to see this particular location, the edge location, so I'm gonna do is like I'm gonna click here that edge, and that will take me to this particular thing, right? So I'll do it one more time. If I want to see this particular edge, I'm gonna click this so that the model not only turns to that location but also zoom to a greater extent, so that I can, you know, pick that and zoom in even further or something like that. Say one more quick example, if I want to click here, it will take me to that particular corner, and as well as it will give me in the original dimension, like original scale or something like that. Yeah, here it is, and then I can zoom further. So this is typically the another important view control. Alright, so if you don't have a mouse scroll button, then you can do some of the controls that we have discussed earlier. Like for example, shift press mouse control, I mean the scroll bar. You can press it and rotate it, or you can even use shift plus the right side, right button in your mouse. Then that also will affect, create the same effect and something like that, right? And you can do that as well, right? So that completes today's lecture on the view control. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.